UKCA marking is mandatory for electronics, toys, PPE, machinery, and many other products sold in the UK. That said, it's not always easy to understand the steps you must take to UKCA mark a product. It's hard enough just knowing where to find the right information. But what if there was an easier way? Let our UKCA marking course be your guide. We break down complex UKCA marking requirements into step-by-step tutorials you can understand, covering designated standards, labeling requirements, documentation, testing, and much more. You'll also get access to valuable resources, including UK Declaration of Conformity and UKCA label samples, checklists, video lessons, and practical case studies. Plus, you'll get lifetime access, and all future updates are included. And rest assured, you're never on your own. You'll have a dedicated consultant on your side. Just send us a support ticket when you have questions about the course tutorials or compliance requirements in general. Your personal contact will get back to you, usually within 1 to 2 business days. We know your time is valuable. That's why each course is built to be completed quickly, typically in just 2 to 3 hours. Ready to take the next step? Sign up now on ComplianceGate.com.